How can you measure exactly 1 liter of water using only a 12-liter jug, a 7-liter jug, and a 5-liter jug? Here's the setup. We have one 12-liter jug completely full of water, and the 7-liter and 5-liter jugs are empty. Your goal is simple. Get exactly 1 liter of water. And remember, 90% of people fail this. Step 1. Fill the 5-liter jug using the 12-liter jug. And to keep things simple, instead of repeating liters every time, I'll just call them the 12 jug, the 7 jug, and the 5 jug. So now what do we have? 7 jug, empty. 5 jug, full. Step 2. Pour the 5 jug into the 7 jug. Now what? Take another 5 liters from the big 12 jug, which now only has 7 liters left, and pour it into the 5 jug. Now, from left to right, we have 2 liters, 5 liters, 5 liters. Still no 1 liter yet. But don't rush. Hit like and subscribe before we continue. Now notice something. The middle jug only needs 2 more liters to become full. So pour water from the 5 jug into the 7 jug until the 7 jug is completely full. That leaves 3 liters inside the 5 jug. Next step. Pour the full 7 jug back into the large jug. Now what do we have? 9 liters? Empty. 3 liters. Now, let's pour those 3 liters into the middle jug. And with the remaining 9 liters, we can fill the small 5 jug again. Now, what do we have? 4 liters? 3 liters? 5 liters? And now, ladies and gentlemen, how much does the middle jug need to become full? 4 liters. So, if we pour 4 liters from the 5 jug into the middle jug, exactly 1 liter remains. Was it easy? Without spilling a single drop, we used only these 3 jugs to measure exactly 1 liter of water. Still haven't liked and subscribed? Why not? Check out the rest of our videos and challenge your brain. Thanks for watching.